Hi! On this video we want to share with you the recipes of Instant Pot BBQ Ribs. Before start the video, please make sure about subscribe us for be aware of new recipes videos. We know that your time is precious and that's why we pay attention to transfer information in the fastest way. We believe that our videos edit model gives you quick access to the information which you need when you're cooking. For detailed information about the recipes, please look at the description of the video. Enjoy! Ingredients: 2 baby back ribs, 1½ lbs, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, ½ a teaspoon paprika, ½ a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, ½ a teaspoon mustard powder, ½ a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 cup water, 2 cup barbecue sauce warmed. Instructions: 1. If your ribs have a thin membrane over the bones on the back side, remove it by carefully sliding a knife under the membrane and peeling it away. 2. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, mustard powder, and cayenne. Rub mixture all over ribs. 3. Place trivet in Instant Pot and add water. Place ribs on trivet so that they are standing up. 4. Secure lid and set to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. Follow manufacturer's guide for quick release, making sure to wait until the cycle is complete before unlocking and removing lid. 5. Using tongs, carefully remove ribs from Instant Pot and lay them flat on a large baking sheet. Brush both sides all over with barbecue sauce before serving. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us and don't forget to support us through your precious like and share.